Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, folks, welcome back. I'll be my class here, looking at ratio, and in particular, we're looking at how we simplify ratios. Okay, ratio, for example, this one is for 6 ratio 15. So, for example, if it was a mixture of something, or it was some like ingredients, so for every 6 kilograms of the first ingredient, the other one will have 15 kilograms. Or it could be, for example, for 6 parts of cordial, 15 parts of water, as an example. Okay, so it's about how things are mixed to each other, how they're respected. Okay, now if you have a ratio and you want to simplify, what they want you to do, they would like you to divide by the highest common factor. So the biggest number that will go into both of the numbers. So if you look at the number 6 and the number 15, what is the biggest number that will divide into them? The biggest. Well, 6 and 15 will both divide by 1, but that doesn't really help. 6 divides by 2, 3 and 6, and 15 will divide by 1, 3, 5 and 15. So the highest common factor is
3.
3. You say 5, but 6 won't divide by 5 exactly. Okay. So 6 we divided by 3, that gives us 2. And 15 divided by 3 will give us
5.
Okay, we're recording now, by the way, folks, don't forget that. Okay, that's the first one done for us. So 6 ratio 15 is the same as 2 ratio 5. So for example, be careful. For example, somebody got £6, another person got £15. It's the same as saying a ratio of £2 to £5. Okay, now let's have a look at example number 2. Example number 2, here we have 3 parts of the ratio, but the technique is exactly the same. We look for the biggest number that will divide into all those 3 numbers, and that's quite easily. What is it, Moise? 5. So we divide everything by 5. So divide that by 5 gives 1. Divide that by 5 gives you 3. And divide that by 5 gives you
5.
So that final answer is 1 to 3
And 5.
to 5. Okay. Some of the students are getting really excited with ratio. Wow. Okay, 30 and 80. The thing that we can see straight away, the highest common factors by looking at it, Mr. Bilal, will be what? Just by looking at the numbers there, 10. Okay, so we divide this by 10, divide that by 10, and that gives us a remaining answer of 3 ratio 8. Okay, lovely. Now, the next one is 1 to 5 and to 200. Let's have one of the girls now. Let's have Ikra, please. Okay, Ikra, 1 to... What is the biggest number that you can think of that will go into 125 and also into 200?
25.
Well done. So we divide them both by 25. The first one, Moise will give us?
5.
And the second one will give us?
8.
Lovely, beautiful. That's how simple it can be. Some of the questions for ratio simplifying. Are we happy with those kind of questions?
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to write on the board on the screen now some questions for you to try. Are we happy with that?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to pause the video after I've finished writing the questions down, so the students can try them at home as well. You ready?
Yeah.
Here comes your first questions. What we have here. So there's 5 questions for you to try. I'm gonna stop the video now. I'll pause it.